As you can see, guys, this is my cockatoo. He's now 1 year old and he loves to sing a lot and talk. Hello, Cosmo. Hello. See, guys, and every month you have to cut their nails because it grows really fast and it's really dangerous for your skin if they have long nails. See, guys, he loves if I massage under his wings. See? Kuchi 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 koo. He really loves it. And also above his wings, he loves I massage him a lot. See, guys, he loves to fly a lot because it's really important for them to exercise every day. So I'm always exercising with him. So he gets really sporty and healthy. See? Cosmo, come